Hello, my name is Caleb. In this video I will be showing you how to replace words with a different word. First, what you would want to do is that in the Home tab, in the Editing section, you will find the Replace icon, right here. Second, then you will click on the icon and a box will pop up, right here, just like that. And say, I want to replace the word Iron Man right here. I would replace it Iron Man 2, replace with Iron Man 3, 2, and I would click replace. Yes, okay, X, and boom, it changed it to Iron Man 3. And that is how you use the replace icon.